Hello friends, this is Peter here. Are you a taxpayer wasting your hard-earned money by paying taxes? Here is a good news. Do you know that you can save up to 45,000 by investing in ELSS fund? What is this ELSS fund? ELSS fund is equity linked saving scheme. This fund is invested mainly in equity markets and it has a lowest lock-in period of 3 years. And this fund has given a return of 10 to 14% CAGR. What is the benefit you are going to get by investing in this fund? First point, you can save tax up to 45k which every year you are paying. Second point, you can earn 10 to 14% of CAGR return. Also here you can generate wealth from this fund by investing for a longer term. Hope you are clear what is ELSS and its benefit. Then what for you waiting? Start your investment immediately. Are you confused how to start off, where to invest and in which fund to invest? Yes, we are here to help you out selecting a right fund for you and help you where to invest. For more detail you can contact us. We will drop our detail in the description box. You can go to the description box and take our detail and just you can WhatsApp us. We will guide you where to invest, how to start off and which fund to invest. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this to your taxpayer friends so that they can also take a benefit and know about this fund and start investment. Thank you.